In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO keywords to a Squarespace website. If you want to help search engines better understand what your site is about, adding relevant keywords to your SEO site description is a simple place to start. In Squarespace, this can be done in just a few clicks, and I'm going to walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Once you're inside the main panel, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which opens your settings. Go ahead and click that icon to access the back-end options for your site. After the settings area opens, look for the marketing section and select it. This is where Squarespace keeps tools related to how your website appears to visitors and search engines, including SEO settings, promotional options, and other visibility features. Inside the marketing section, click on SEO Appearance. This is the area where you can manage how your site is presented in search results. It's especially useful because it lets you control the text that gives search engines more context about your website. Once you're on the SEO Appearance page, you'll find the SEO Site Description field. This is where you can enter your keywords as part of a natural, readable description of your website. Try not to just stuff in random terms. Instead, include keywords that truly reflect your business, content, or services, written in a way that sounds clear and professional. That helps both search engines and potential visitors understand what your site offers. After entering your keywords into the SEO site description, click Save. That's it. Your changes will now be applied to your website's SEO settings. Keep in mind that SEO updates may not show results instantly, since search engines take time to recrawl and update information. Also, it's a good idea to use keywords that are specific to your niche and relevant to the content on your website, rather than choosing broad terms that don't match what visitors will actually find. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added SEO keywords to your Squarespace website through the SEO site description setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.